Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, and I've got some good news and I've got some bad news, okay? The good news is that if you're watching this video right now, then you're not too late, okay? We are going to be hosting a free training, and this free training is going to show you how to go from zero all the way to $10,000 per month. Now, the cool thing about this training is when we've done it in the past, we've had a tremendous amount of success stories that have watched this actual exact training that you're gonna see and have gone on to make really big money online, okay? Anthony Mancuso, Jono Armstrong, Dalton Scott, Shaheen Dastani, Ike Paz, Brandon Pierce, Ace and Rich, the list goes on. So many people, so many marketers have watched this exact training and they've gotten tremendous results, okay? So that's the good news. You're not too late if you're watching this video. The bad news is that if you do end up missing this, you close this page or you move on to something else, you're gonna miss out on this free training and you're not gonna have that same opportunity to learn what you need to know to finally set up an online business the right way. Now, the truth is our learning never stops, right? From the moment we're born, we're constantly learning new things. And what I see often a lot of people do is they spend a lot of time learning about video games or how to be a good employee or how to, whatever it is, whether it's dancing or singing. But very often people don't spend a lot of time learning business. And that's really sad to me because business is the one area of your life that you could totally, change everything. If you just focused on business for just a short period of time, and you set yourself up a nice $10,000 per month income stream, you could do whatever you want with your time, okay? Because once you have that passive income coming in, you have freedom to be able to explore all of the things that you'd like to do in your life, whether that's travel, whether it's singing, whether it's, who knows, whether it's baseball, who cares? You have the time to do what you want with your life, right? But if you don't focus on business, then you're always going to have jobs, you're always going to have obligations, and those things are always going to get in the way of what you would like to do, okay? So I highly encourage you to actually get on to watch this free training. It doesn't cost you anything. We're really excited to show it to you because, like I said, people that we've shown this to in the past have done really big things with it, okay? So there's a link below this video. This free training is going to be going live any minute. If you're watching this, it's not too late, but it will be very shortly here. So I encourage you to click that button, get onto the free training. We'll see you on there, and me and Jonah will be with you very shortly.